Hello everybody, I wanted to make a video on how to record because I know it's easy to forget how to record, and also it's nice to actually have steps that you can review over and over and practice along with. So I'm going to go to Module 3 and I'm going to go to the reading and dictation quiz. It really doesn't matter which one I go to because recording is the same for any module or any assignment where I ask you to record. It'll be the exact same process. So on this quiz, I actually did write down the steps, but I think it's hard sometimes to find this button in order to record. Okay. So make sure when I give you a quiz that you look at the instructions. If I ask you to record, make sure you record, because if you don't record, I'm not going to give you points. And this is because I really want to listen to your pronunciation, because it is for the reading portion of your citizenship interview. And if you just write down the answer, that doesn't show me that you can pronounce all the words correctly. So it's very important that you record. So you have to push this button. And you find this button in this menu. So if you look right here, it's always going to be in the same place. Okay, so it's the same button. You push this button, and this screen should come out. Now usually it'll have a reflection of yourself because it's a camera, but I blocked my camera for this video. And if you want to turn off the camera, you can. I'll just put no video. And then you can start recording as long as, if you notice this blue bar is moving, it's moving because it's telling me that it's listening to my voice. So I know that my microphone is on because this bar is moving. If there's no movement here in this bar, then you need to make sure that you choose a mic. So after you've chosen a mic, you press start. And then you speak, say something, whatever it is you need to say. You finish. Sometimes it's a good idea to listen. So there I am. Okay, so I know that I've recorded something, and then after I'm done, I save it. And once I save it, it'll link right into the question. Okay, so I'm done with this one, and I'm ready to move on to the next question. And that's how you record. So if you have any questions, let me know. If for whatever reason I forget, I put record and you don't see this box, then that's my fault and I need to fix something, so do let me know. But usually I will post this box here whenever I ask you to record. So good luck, and let me know if you have any more questions.